Welcome to your Next Car YouTube channel. Wasim here, bringing you another walk around of a gorgeous Estoril Blue F36 430D X-Drive Grand Coupe. Bit of a mouthful, but basically a 4 Series with 5 doors. This is a 3-litre diesel X-Drive M Sport, fitted with our signature Your Next Car body styling pack, gloss styling pack and 20-inch wheels. This is a 2016 66 reg car. Purpose of the video is to help you make an informed decision when you're buying. So let's take a look around, show you some of the specs and the condition. We'll start off with the xenon headlights, black kidney grills, gloss black splitter, 20-inch 405M style wheels, gloss black air breathers, sidebars, vinyls, decals, privacy glass, gloss black upgraded diffuser bias, rear spoiler as well, automatic tailgate, standard on this model, genuine set of mats. This vehicle also has the comfort access feature, which enables you to just walk up to the car without pressing the key fob. Really tidy condition, no dents, no scratches, really well presented car. Black Dakota leather on the inside, electric lumbar support and memory driver's seat. Let's take a look at that seat there. You probably find that other dealers skim over these parts of the car, but not being shy here. Really well presented. M Sport Plus pack with Harman Kardon sound and the blue M Performance brakes. Electric folding mirrors. This one has the extended storage pack, a few extra cubby holes basically. Automatic headlights, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. There you see 8,000 miles to next service. I'll give you a detailed look at the service history in a moment. 8-speed gearbox with a paddle shift, paddle up, paddle down. It also has the Tiptronic mode, so you can switch it across. Didn't mention in the back, it does have the ISOFIX, and it's a 3-seat configuration in the back with the rear centre armrest as well. Auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth media playback, widescreen navigation system here. This is the updated sat nav with the hotkeys. Let's take a look at the service history for you. We have one service at BMW, the second service was carried out at non-main agent, next oil service in 8,000 miles, front brake pads 18,000 miles till they're due, and 60,000 miles. I do apologise if I'm going very quickly, I've got a few more cars to get through today. Original handbooks in the car. Lovely clean black leather. It's one of our most sold colours in the F36, the Estoril Blue. Really well presented car all around. HP, PCP available, part exchange welcome. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is normally run by James. Add us on Instagram at Your Next Car UK. We specialise in BMWs, we've got over 140 in stock currently and new cars arriving daily. You can apply online through our website, or drop us an email, or fill out the contact form on the website. Thank you very much for watching. Keep safe. Thank you.